Duval, Bama, / the wind, hollering at you again. Old boy, still eating and promoting plant foods. If I had a chance to do it all over again, I would change one thing. I would never eat animals. Never. That's something I've learned after these 65 years of hurting myself, eating animals, going through the suffering I'm going through now, getting healed a little bit because of what I'm eating, meaning I'm not eating animals anymore. So I'm not picking up any new hurts, but all the old hurts from eating all that delicious animal food is taking a toll on the old boy. But we still here. We still kicking it. We still promoting it. Time doesn't go backwards, so can't go back and say, oh wow, back this thing up. Now that I know, too late for that. Next generation, your choice. Animal or plants. Everything else will take care of itself. Duval, Bama / the wind. Always promoting and eating plant foods. That's all I got to talk about for the rest of these days I have to walk on this earth. We up out of here. Bye.